Hey traders, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to change the currency on TradingView mobile application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your TradingView mobile application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now go to the chart tab at the bottom. In the top right corner of your screen, you can see the name of the currency chosen right now. Tap on this box to open the entire list. You'll see a full list of currencies like AED, AFN, AMD and more. Choose the currency you want to display on your chart. For now, I will go with Australian dollar. And you're done. The price scale and related info will now reflect your selected currency. And just like that, you have successfully changed the currency on TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap that bell icon for more quick TradingView tips. Comment below what currency you trade in. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.